All out.
Yeah, man. Hey, have a good day, man.
Peace out, brother.
To the candy store, Fillmore City, baby, king of the coast. Believe me, it's poppin', man. Hairpin trigger on a chopper, man. I ain't even gon' lie. Welcome you to the candy store. I ain't even gon' lie. You a square to me, and life don't really seem fair to me. So I cover myself in a cashmere coat. Give me more ice cream and that root beer float, buddy. Thought you was a block monster. Once the bullets rang out, niggas scream for they mamas. I step back from a loose lip punk rock, and I sport those Adidas with the shell top. And let the mail drop, and let the gun blast. You won't get away even if you run fast. It's like poetry, you get your enemy. Then ask Morpheus, Niels, or Trinity. I wear rings that'll box you in. If I ghost drive past, you can feel the wind, it's divine. You can feel the heat of the rhyme. The homie left the weapon at the scene of the crime. It's like John Paul rolling in a Jag, mad at his workers, gun on the dash. What you had, 20 G's in a Jordan briefcase. I know to spit a rhyme when I hear a beat break shit. Like the crack of a coffee mug. Every city on the planet got lots of drugs, lots of thugs. Everything is hot with slugs. Chip on your shoulder, that's hard to bud. Bud is known to be still crack-a-lackin'. Benz's, Beamer, Seville, Cadillacin'. V for Vendetta, grip your Beretta. You might see me in a fat farm sweater and leather. Pretty mind, crack the codes without a surfboard, dude. I ride the flows now. Remix to the carnival now. Square cats better hide your hoes now. Gun blast. Bullets rang out, niggas scream.